Do you want to learn something new? This has never been featured on our channel before, but there is one software that you can use to generate money on the internet. And you know what? All of this is provided for free. It's a feature that's really easy to use. You can download them for free on your iOS or Android smartphone if you want to utilize this software on your phone. In the meantime, I'd like to introduce you the two apps that pay you for simply installing them. By the way, these two apps have nothing in common. So you can make the most of your time and earn as much money as you want because these apps will only help you create money, even if you're not doing anything substantial with them. Let's start with the first two apps. After that, I'll go over the major program that I'll be showing you in this video and how you can make money with it. So stay tuned and don't miss a single detail and stick with us until the end of this video. Hey there and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal Cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal Cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal Cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. Let me give you a quick rundown of the first app. Moneysmsapp.com. This is the first one. That is in fact the name of their official website. You may, however, use this on your mobile device as I previously stated. As a result, we'll just install them on our smartphone. It's quite simple because it's just an app that allows you to make money online by sending and receiving SMSs from their clients and their system. All you have to do now is download it on your device and you'll be good to go. After that, create an account. After that, you'll have your account set up and ready to go. As a result, you should be prepared for a variety of communications. Another nice feature of this software is that it's free. You don't even have to reply to any of those messages. Given that they have no value, you can just delete them as soon as you receive them. Even if you delete the messages, you will still be compensated for each and every SMS that you send and receive. To summarize, there isn't a single bit of work required. Set it aside and wait for the communications to arrive after you've just created your account. Remember that each and every SMS you receive will be paid for. You can learn more about the procedure and how it works on their website, but keep an eye out for the details because this one can be only used on an Android smartphone while the app can be used on both iOS and Android devices. It can only be used on Android smartphones, which means that due to Android's feature allowing the system to read SMS messages, you can only make money using an Android handset. Aside from that, I've done a lot of research on this app, and the amount of favorable comments is incredible. The software has a lot of positive reviews, and it's quite simple to make money with it. You shouldn't be concerned because this app is really safe, because it only reads private messages and delivers them by their own system. It will never be able to read your messages, so log in, information, and other personal information. And it does not stop there. People are also happy with the overall system because it works automatically through an automated system. Moreover, there is this great referral program where you can invite your friends and colleagues to join up, because this means you can gain 30% of your referral earnings. For example, if your friend that you referred made $100, you will earn 30% of that, which is equivalent to $30. This will go on and on until the rest of your life, thus it's passive income. How amazing is that? Once again, the app is totally free and there will never come a time that you will pay for it. Just visit this website and see how the entire thing works. Follow the steps that I told you about and simply register to get automated SMS messages, and then get paid just like that. Let me show you some of the interfaces of this website. This is how the dashboard of your app will appear, where we will download the app. Next, you can see your referral code that you can even hand out to your friends and colleagues. You're probably wondering if it's too good to be true at this point. Is this a legitimate app or is this a ripoff? Don't be concerned because you can directly verify the app's legitimacy by looking at the receipts that many users have gotten as proof of payment. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. To ensure that they're authentic, you can go to their website right here on their page. By implementing the required and essential steps and interventions to ensure that they comply with the current GDPR privacy policy rules, the app complies with the latest GDPR privacy policy standards. Go to the website and learn everything you need to know. As I stated earlier, I've done a lot of research to make sure that you guys can use this website. Another way to earn money passively is to use the following software that I'll show you. CashMagnetApp.com is the name of the website. And as the name implies, it's just a cash magnet. But unfortunately, the best app only works on Android devices. But stay with me and enjoy the rest of the video because I have a surprise for you at the end using your Android phone. And you can earn money every minute without doing any heavy lifting at all. But keep watching until the end because the last app I will tell you also works on iOS. Stay with me and enjoy the rest of the video because I have a surprise for you. Cash Magnet puts together top reward programs that you would want to play. Given that information, Cash Magnet will give you a significantly higher amount of money than the SMS app, so we're just working our way to the top, starting from the app with the lowest income return to the app with the highest income return. This program is quite simple to use and provides a whole new level of pleasure and enjoyment to your life. It merely requires you to view a music video, play games, because you can get paid right away after downloading and installing the app. You can earn money while doing other things. Simply install the app, leave your phone alone, and you'll earn money while doing other things. You're free to utilize as many devices you'd like. As a result, more money will be brought in. Simply keep doing it every day and keep it up. You'll still be able to make a lot of money as a result. You can anticipate to make more money as a result of this. After a few months, users have been so happy about their journey in Cash Magnet as they are able to buy the things that they have long wanted. If you go ahead and download the app and follow the instructions I just gave you, you can join the tens of thousands of people who have already downloaded this app. Don't forget about the app's security, as it guarantees that your personal info will never be sold or shared. As a result, you can rest assured that this app is fully secure. The app, of course, is very free. All of the programs I've mentioned are completely free, and you can use them at any time you want. You will not be required to pay any fees, charges, or make any payments in order to access the apps. You've already learned how to make money without having to do anything at this point. That's the beauty of passive income. Now I'll tell you about the last app for this video. This app right here will pay you $600. Just by listening to your favorite music. For this app, you can use it freely on any device or iOS and Android. They are available on the App Store and Google Play. You can simply download the app on your device and listen to your favorite tunes to gain money. Here you should listen to music because the more songs you listen to, the more points you can get and the more money you can make. As a result, you are paid for simply listening to music. You may browse and navigate over 100,000 radio stations all over the world to find your favorite songs and listen to them, while getting paid. You won't have to sit through some weird song that you found on SoundCloud if you're not even fond of it. So if you use this app, instead you can actually pay to listen to music you enjoy, and even better, you can get paid to do it. For a lot of individuals nowadays, listening to music is a pretty common hobby, so I'm sure you're a big fan of your favorite music, and now you can get paid to listen to it every day using this app. It's that simple. You can also earn points by listening to music, spending them on your favorite companies, and a lot more. This software is much better because it is extensively used in so many countries all over the world. As a result, you can simply download it to your smartphone and start making money by listening to music as soon as you get home. The app is called Current.us. And if I haven't mentioned it yet, go to their official website to learn more about the whole thing and how it works. The software is available on both Google Play and Apple stores, so all you have to do now is download it and use it on any device you have. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below and we'll see you again next time.